That was a hot topic. Go and be one next thing said.
Wow. So the NWA, National Works Agency, they are urging motorists to approach the Municipal Boulevard, Grange Lane, Passage Fort Drive intersection in Portmore with caution as the traffic signals at the location are currently out of operation. But the headline says cable theft affects traffic lights at a major four-way in Portmore. So apparently them thief the cable. 35 meters of the they say of the cabling were stolen, and while the power company has responded to conduct an initial assessment, the wires may not be replaced immediately. Agency points out that in recent times, its traffic signal equipment at other locations in the parish have been affected by either theft or damage. NWA said it is currently procuring emergency works to replace a dislocated signal cabinet which operates the traffic lights at the Linstead Bypass Church Road section. So in other words, the people them thief the cable and the light them gone.
What happened to Mr. Shaw? This one is from Ramona Lawson.
Oh, so my friend just let me say I have 5 pomegranate trees. I'll come into your yard, youth.
This is interesting. The JPS has filed a rate review application with the OUR. If approved, customers can expect to see an average increase of 3.2%.
All right.
Move on to your number two.
The next one now I have to show you here because we won some gold medals at the Pan Am Games yesterday. Yeah, Natoya Gould won the 800. I think it's the first time that we've had an 800 winner. Elaine Thompson wins the gold in 100 meters. So there is Elaine, we'll make it right so everyone can get it proper. And before that, so this is Natoya here winning the 800, and that's Elaine there winning the 100 meters. We also had a silver, Tajay Gale, third silver medal at the games. So his jump of 8.17 meters in the long jump, obviously. And as Delia started to say, Frederick Dakers won gold in the discus. That was day before. So we've won 3 gold medals now, a couple of silver medals. So let me see if I could bring you up to date on the medal. So we now stand at 8 medals, 3 gold, 3 silver, and 2 bronze. And today, women's high jump final, Jamaicans in that. Women's 200 semi-final, Shelly Ann Fraser-Price, Saloni Calvert-Powell in that. Men's 200 semi-final, by the way, that's 3:30, the 200 semi-final at 4 o'clock. Julian Fort and Andre Ewers in the 200 semis. Women's 100 hurls final at 4:45, Yannick Thompson, Megan Tapper. Women's 400 final, 5:10, Sharika Jackson is there. 400 final for men, Demish Gay is there. Women's 400 hurlers final, Rochelle Clayton, Rhonda White, they're there. Kamara Moat is the men's 400 hurlers final. And the 4x1 relay semi-final with Jamaica involved is 20 minutes to 7. So lots happening at the Pan Am Games in track and field. What's the next one?
Just want to know what them are going to do the bike, them are riding with Sizzler Golf Stadium.
120.
How so much bike there, Jamaica?
Yeah, 120. Grand Gala was beautiful though. It was really beautiful.
Yes.
What's next?
Tell me now.
Cyntoia Brown, released from prison after celebrity support. She'd been serving a life sentence for killing a man who had picked her up for sex at 16 years old. So Kim Kardashian, West, Rihanna, Snoop Dogg, LeBron James had lobbied for her release. And she's now 31 years old.
Wow.
She will remain on parole for 10 years on condition that she does not violate any state or federal laws. She has to hold a job and she has to participate in regular counseling sessions. So she's out. Her attorney says she's requesting privacy and transition time before she makes herself available to the public. Now, she was convicted in 2006 of murdering 43-year-old Nashville real estate agent Johnny Allen. Police said she shot Allen in the back of the head at close range. But them say with a gun, but I don't know what else she could have shot him with.
She could have shot him with a fish.
Or a spear gun, but they say close range with a gun. She,
or a BB gun.
Apparently, they said she brought the gun to rob him after he picked her up at a drive-in restaurant in Nashville to have sex with her. The Supreme Court has ruled against life without parole sentences for juveniles. There you go.
But she was a victim of sex trafficking, which is what is the major thing.
Yep.
And they're saying you shouldn't punish a victim for freeing themselves from an abusive situation.
Yep.
Death is death, however, and thus the sentence. But I'm glad she's out.
What's the next one and the last one?
Well, this one's been happening for a couple of days. Tributes continue to come in
for Toni Morrison.
For author Toni Morrison, who passed away this week. I think she was 88. Wrote books such as Beloved, Song of Solomon, Bluest Eye, Sula, and so on. Very accomplished African-American. Well, she said, just say accomplished literary figure. Because when you tag them as female writers or African-American, you tend to narrow their scope. But quite a breakthrough. She's a multi-award winning writer, won the Pulitzer Prize in 1988. So the literary world is mourning the passing of Toni Morrison.
Apparently that wasn't a hot topic, it's me.
Put it in there.
Me set you up.
Right.